Formula SAE is one of the most thrilling clubs in the world. Every year, over 600 universities across 26 countries build advanced race cars to see who can become the fastest students in the world. We are proud to be one of the top 5 teams right here at the University of Auckland Formula SAE team, or as we like to call it, FSAE47. Here's everything you need to know about our team and how you can join at Auckland.
Hi, I'm T. I'm the CEO for FSAE47 for 2024. No matter what you study, you can join us in designing, manufacturing and racing our cars. You can also get involved in the business management side of our race team. Since 2004, our team has competed in the Formula SAE Australasia competition held in Melbourne, Australia. In 2022, we became the first ever Kiwi team to win the competition overall, and last year we achieved the fastest acceleration time by an Australasian team.
You can help us speed it again by joining one of our 5 subgroups: Composites, Electrical, Mechanical, Business, and our new autonomous team. If you don't have any experience, don't worry. We always look for people who are willing to learn new skills and work hard.
Composites on our Formula SAE team involves designing and manufacturing our carbon fiber components for the car. You'll be designing and laminating things such as the aerodynamic package for the car, the carbon fiber monocoque chassis, wheels, and way more cool stuff. If you're into that and you want to make our car faster and stronger, then make sure you apply.
So what is electrons? We've been running the car electric for about 8 years now, so there's a lot that we cover. It's a high-spec automotive loom, PCB design and firmware design, and a whole lot more. If that interests you, come along and apply.
The mechanical subgroup is responsible for the design and manufacture of the driver and suspension components. You can expect your design time to be spent in CAD using Fusion 360 and your manufacture time to be spent on our lathes and mills, including our very own in-house CNC. If this interests you, I strongly recommend you to apply for the mechanical subgroup.
Hi, I'm Kinsey from the business team, and we handle everything that is not engineering related, which means that we get to look after the relationships we have with our current sponsors. We also get to organize all of the team's events throughout the year. We manage our website and social media content. We also get to design all of our merch, newsletters and prospectus. This year we're looking for creative students who have a flair for writing, design, photography or videography. So if you have any of those skills, we would love to have you on the team.
Our autonomous team are working towards creating a completely self-driving car to compete in Melbourne at the Formula SAE competition next year. And we're working towards creating state-of-the-art algorithms and creating simulations as part of our testing.
Once you're on the team, you will be surrounded with people with the same interest, working towards the same goal. You will also get to meet our alumni, who are an incredible source of knowledge for us and can help you build your career while you're on the team and after.
Hey, does this sound like you?
It doesn't matter who you are.
If you're interested,
Follow this link to sign up now.
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 Sign-ups close on the 2nd of March at midnight.
Don't miss it.
We want you on the team this year.
And if all goes well,
See you soon.
I better see you next week.